Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making some beautiful fall decorations from the sweet corn stalks that I have behind me. Last week we harvested all of our sweet corn and you can see now that everything is sort of browning and drying off, which is a perfect time for you to repurpose anything that you have that is drying off in your garden. You can take that and make it into beautiful home decorations, or you can dry your seeds. I have a whole guide on how to dry your seeds, the art of seed starting. I'll put that in the description if you're interested. I'll also put up a video here that I did of drying seeds so you guys can see how easy it is to do that. But right now we're gonna get down some of these corn stalks and we're gonna make some beautiful fall decorations. So I'm gonna try and use this, whatever you call it, thing here that I found in our barn. But if you have maybe like a machete or something like that, they're pretty thick and they're pretty hard to get down by hand. So I'm gonna give this a shot and we'll see how it goes. Well, that was pretty easy. So if you have one of these saws, I highly recommend using it. One swipe and it was down. That went much quicker than I anticipated, and ended up finding a few ears of corn still left in there. So I'm gonna probably see how they're doing. They look a little bit bug infested, but if they aren't, I'm gonna put these in my freezer, and if they are, the chickens will get a nice little treat. So now we have all of these. You can tell some of them are still pretty green. So you can either lay them out to dry, which I'm gonna do with the green ones, and then I'm going to make a bundle of them to use as decoration. So let's go dry out some of them and then we will make our bundles. I just have them laying everywhere to dry out. They're just all over the place. Now we're gonna take the bundles and tie them together. I'm just gonna use some of this jute twine to tie them together, and I have a pair of shears in my pocket. So I'll just use these to cut it and we'll tie them. All tied together and made this beautiful little arrangement, and I'm going to use this as a fall decoration outside. If you guys are interested in making this, just dry out some of your corn, grab some corn from somewhere around you, tie it together, and then you can use it as beautiful decoration too. Just like that, we're ready for fall. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'll see you in the next one.